Today we're going to show you how to add great looks and more safety to your 65 through 66 Mustang with the addition of some LED taillights. What makes this a nice, easy installation is the LED panel is attached to a brand new lens. So you pop off your original lens, put this in place, and then plug it in where the factory bulb plugs in. That's all there is to it. With the bezel lens off, we're going to remove the bulb. Grab a new one here. And I suggest just double check and test it before you put it all back together. Okay, repeat the process on the other side and your installation's finished. These LED taillights look great and it'll make our Mustang far more visible as well. Now remember, when you're installing LEDs, make sure you change out your flasher for one designed to work with LEDs. As you saw, the installation is very straightforward. The only tool you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, and about 20 minutes, half an hour, and be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.